Hey everyone, text is an important part of video editing, but when it stays still, it can look dull or out of place. Moving text adds energy to our videos, guides viewers' attention, and makes everything look more engaging and professional. Even small movements help our videos look more polished. In this video, we show how to move text in Capcut using tools anyone can understand. We can make text slide across the screen, follow a subject, or smoothly appear and disappear. This guide helps us learn the basics. Moving text keeps viewers interested and helps highlight important words, match the video's rhythm, and stops text from feeling flat or disconnected. In Capcut, we can move text in a few different ways. The easiest way is to drag text directly on the preview screen. Capcut also has built-in text animations that automatically move text onto or off the screen. These are good for quick edits, while manual movements give us more creative control. When we combine movement with timing, easing, and smart placement, our text feels natural and not distracting. Now, let's go through how to add moving text to our media or video in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application. Once inside, we create a project. Click on Create Project, and after we have our project, we start by importing our video. Let's use this video as an example. Now we drag it to our layer to make it our base video. Next, we add text. We can add text in the upper left corner. We text and then type what we want. We can also change the text style and open the drop-down menu. If we want the text to stay on the video the whole time, we just stretch it. Then we edit the text. Let's place it like this and add a shadow and other effects so it stands out. For example, let's put it in the middle. Now, the first thing we do is add a keyframe. Let's put a keyframe here. Let's add another keyframe. Once we have keyframes, we can choose where the text appears. For example, let's move the text to the left side. On the lower part, we click this. Set this to 0 first. We take the 0 transform. We choose this one. Click the animation and set it to 0, or just move it to the bottom. Next, go to the first keyframe where we add our text and move it to the left. Then, go to the bottom again. We just move that, then go to the other keyframe where we add another element. Place it at the top and check here. Now, let's play the video. We have moving text, simple and easy to follow. Even beginners can do this. Moving text in Capcut is a simple but powerful way to make our videos look better. It adds energy, helps tell our story, and makes our edits look more professional. We just adjust the settings here to move fonts. We can add fonts and use blending options too. It's up to us. Let's check out the preferences now. If we study this section carefully, we will soon become professional editors.